Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this will be part 1 of my apartment tour. So I wanted to share some home decor ideas. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's start this tour. So the following items on my coffee table I got from a combination of places. The vase I got from Ross along with the tray, the Starburst coasters, and that crystal heart, I got those from Home Goods. The box over there I got from Z Gallery, as well as the picture frame of my little baby. I got that from Walmart. And last but not least, the candles from Bath and Body Works. I believe that's the name of the place. But those are the places that I got my items from. If you're looking to, pick up those pieces, that's where you could find them. And of course, if you guys watched my previous video, you know this wall unit is from Wayfair. That picture frame, I actually got that from Home Goods. That Chinese lantern, I got that from Wayfair. I got this silver grayish drape from Home Goods. I believe they still have it there, so you might be able to find it in your local store. I got this bar card I believe this is from Wayfair, and the combination of items on this card is mostly from Crate and Barrel. I got the serving tray, the ice bucket, and the thong from Crate and Barrel, and the rest I got from Home Goods. This Starburst shape mirror, I got this about maybe over a year ago from Home Goods. This brown gray, it's more of a brown tweed type color. I got this sectional from American Signature. It's the Athens sectional. Of course, they don't make it anymore. And the pillows are from Wayfair. This silver item, I got this from Home Goods. And this circular vase I got from Crate and Barrel. It's actually a set. There's another piece. This is the second piece of the Crate and Barrel set, and of course the flower, the crystal, and the picture frame I got from Home Goods. This picture I got from Home Goods. It has like a espresso dark frame with a white border, but I love it. I got this from Home Goods. The willow branches I got from Michael's about 2 years ago. Those are the Cascade candle holder, and that is that umbrella vase is from Crate and Barrel, and of course my dining room chair is from Wayfair, and of course this is the Dove set from Crate and Barrel, and I believe my dining table I got from City Furniture, and those two tea light candle holders are from Z Gallery. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoy my apartment tour, which is part 1. I do want to show you the rest of my home, you know, the kids' bedroom, my master, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.